Managing property tax on your own can be risky, especially when it comes to business personal property. Even small errors can lead to serious penalties. And with every jurisdiction taxing personal property differently and thousands of unique tax jurisdictions in existence, you have a lot to juggle. But today, you can say goodbye to the stress with Avalara Property Tax Returns Pro. Avalara simplifies your process by automating the majority of the work for you, making your filing faster and more accurate. The best part is just how easy it is to use. Let's take a look at the Avalara dashboard. Here, we have a central workspace where we can view all of our compliance steps in one place. Avalara automatically matches our accounts to their statutory dates, making it simple to see what deadlines are upcoming. Within the application, we can easily input properties, companies, and legal entities, or we can import data using a template or custom file. Managing assets is just as simple. Avalara makes a wide range of asset types available. We can also import assets in bulk or roll them over from the previous year. From there, Avalara's automation takes over and standardizes mapping across all the states you do business in. Now we're ready to manage our forms and answer form questions. All answers will remain saved in the application. Finally, we can add attachments to our return packages. Most of these steps only require a one-time setup before Avalara's time-saving automations kick in. Let's see just how that works as we move on to managing our returns. Based on our selections, the application has automatically done a lot for us. It applied a depreciation schedule and provided the asset's original cost versus assessed value. It indicated whether an asset is taxable and reportable, and it even mapped the asset to the correct section of the return form. All that's left is to preview and approve. Once the package is marked as filed, it's removed from the dashboard, keeping our overview always up to date. As you can see, Avalara Property Tax Returns Pro handles the heavy lifting, so you can focus on what really matters. Visit Avalara.com to learn more and to take the next step in simplifying your tax returns.